Yes, good evening, good evening. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Sir, can we discuss the paper? Sir, are you there?
Yes, just a minute, guys. I just want to ask one thing. So about the results. So I think it is showing like very bitter results. I don't know what happened, what went wrong. Actually, just let me ask one question. With just a minute, be in line.
Yes, guys, actually have seen the results. I'll show you the. I have not announced the results just because I had a couple of doubts. Actually, what went wrong, I didn't understand. That's why I just wanted to announce after this class. So hope you can hear my voice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Sir, can I say my issue?
yes, beta.
Sir, in the WhatsApp, while we're giving test, I chose the correct options, but it's for first question, if C was the correct answer, it's showing that it's wrong and D is the correct one.
Yes, sir. That's what.
Yes,
sir.
sir. That
happened,
was
sir.
we are
Yes,
wrong.
sir. That's why, sir.
Everyone's
We
problem.
all got correct, sir, I guess.
Sir, I think, sir, many question everyone got single digit, like 7%.
But Nityasri got 60 out of 60. Why it is? How it is?
Don't know, sir. That we
Sir,
they
don't
have
know,
kept
sir.
the correct answer also, sir.
Sir, she said me that for her it's coming full marks and that she got 15 correct, 0 wrong, but it's also showing that 15 were unattempted for her.
1 second. I didn't get you. 15 unattempted.
So she said that she had attempted all the questions and she got them correct and full marks, but while viewing the results, it showed that those 15 were unattempted, even though she answered.
Oh, then how come she got 15 even though she has attempted? Then it was showing unattempted. Then how come it is 60 out of 60? Look at this here. Can you see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. Third option is what? In a triangle, two sides are equal. Third option is C. Like third question is C. Like
Nice,
key has been uploaded correct only, right? Nothing wrong with the key, I think. This is
Sir,
the
I
key.
don't know, but it shows that the correct answer is D and all.
For which
Sir,
one?
first one is C only, sir.
Yeah, sir.
D. Sir, once we'll discuss all the questions. That's better.
No. I'm talking about first question D.
Yes, no, sir, it's C only.
See, sir, it is.
Sir, just draw the triangle so you
It will be A plus B C. A plus C is equal to
Yes,
1.
sir, it's 180 minus 70 by
Yes,
2. It's
We'll
2
discuss. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
One second. I think I have to. Guys, actually, key has been uploaded wrongly, I think. So I don't know what happened, but okay, guys, I'll do one thing. The same question paper, I'll conduct it tomorrow. Is it fine with you all? I mean, not same question paper. I think same questions, there was a problem actually. I think there is a key has been uploaded wrongly.
Sir, I have attempted all questions, sir. It was showing correct 60 out of 60. But for me, how it is showing is 15 questions correct, zero incorrect, 15 unattempted.
0 incorrect, 15 unattempted. Then
Sir, maybe a glitch.
That only, sir.
Sir, once we'll discuss this, sir, it's better.
And the answers are selected was not even getting selected, sir.
So I think sometimes this, I remember this was going, it happened when, like when we wanted to select C and then it selected D.
Yeah, sir, it was self-operated on that day. What I selected versus what it gave.
Sometimes it's like that only, sir, I think. So first one is C only, sir. If you
Yes, sir.
told.
55. 55.
55, sir. 180 minus 70 by 2. 110 by 2,
A
78.
plus C is equals to 110. And we
Yes,
can
sir. We
put
all click C
180.
also, sir. We all click C only. Sir, AB is equal to BC. So A angle and C angle are equal, sir. So it's 55 and 55. How can it be 130, sir? Sir, 130 plus 70 is more than 180. Yes, sir. It can't be.
We can tell it simply that. I was saying the test paper of I was correct for me.
Sir, are you there? I think you're on mute.
You're on mute. We cannot hear you.
Sir, we cannot hear you. You're on
Ayo,
mute.
so I was speaking. Guys, look at this here. What he has given here. Angle B is 70 given. Angle A. Look at this beta. What he has given here. Here he has given that AB is equal. This is A. This is B. This is C. AB is equal BC. Okay. And here B is equal 70 given.
Yes,
But then
sir.
angle 70 means this will be 55. This will be 55 beta. Then only it becomes 110 degrees. 110 plus 70, 180 degrees.
Yes, sir. It can't be 130 because
Yes,
it's over 180. Yes, sir.
Exactly. So yeah.
Yes, sir. Like we also.
Sir, next one answer is.
Sir, like it's best if we all could put our answer key. Then.
Yeah, we'll no problem. You do one thing, guys. So can you do one thing? So can you prepare this question and send me the answers?
Sir, can you share the
like, is it-
PDF? We can do that.
Not now, but actually what happened was
Sir, once we'll send a screenshot like of our answers. So yes, sir.
sorry, I didn't get
Yes,
you.
sir, can we do that?
Yes, sir. We'll like click the photo
sir, we
of our
can-
answers
Yes,
and we'll
sir.
send them, sir, personally to you, so that no one will know our answers.
Yeah, sir. We
Personally
can
to
send
me.
you your.
Sir, or
Picture
can
in
we
WhatsApp.
just retest, like repost the test now so that we'll again attempt it now only because we already have the answers in handy with us now, sir, in books.
So it's better if the photo, I think, so no one will
But so
cheat.
many photos, like it will become a hectic to again correct it now, Lalita.
Okay, anyway, so everyone send me the solutions by tonight. I'll or else you do
Sir,
one thing
should
better.
we only
No.
write options
Hello.
or should we also write explanation?
So you do one thing. I'll re-upload the question, same question paper. Make sure that everyone solving it and uploading the answer after this exam only. Just it takes hardly 15-20 minutes. After this exam only, you do one thing. I'll re-upload this question paper. Sorry. All right.
When will
Clear?
you re-upload it, sir?
I'll upload it after this exam. I mean, after this class, I'll re-upload it. You attempt it, and we'll
Sir,
announce
sir,
In
it.
WhatsApp, sir.
Sir, it will be MCQ, right?
MCQ only in WhatsApp only. So I'll upload the key, everything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today, shall we go with triangle?
Yeah, sir.
Actually, there is no power. I'm getting like I'm using mobile data. Don't know how it is going to work.
Sir, can you conduct quiz?
On what? Triangles?
Yeah,
Sir, but I think there are no quizzes on triangles. I've searched.
We don't have many quizzes, so I don't know. I don't think so. We'll be. Yes.
Sir, what
There's
few
no
we
quizzes.
have in
But actually there is a power cut in my area.
Okay, no problem. You do one thing. So 1 second, guys. 1 second. Be in line. So we'll go with the triangles lesson. I'll be giving you the questions. Okay. So matlab some and 1 second, guys. I think sides of array and till what we have discussed in the last class. I think prove that each side of a triangle equal to a triangle. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Yeah. I think we have done this as well. Theorem. Next we'll talk about these sides. 1 second, guys. I think I'm sitting in the dark. I don't know where is my pen is. Yeah. Yes, guys. Sides and angles of a triangle. Okay. So what this theorem says actually, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, okay, and the larger side has the greater angle opposite to it. Okay. Larger side has the greater angle opposite to it. Look at it here. I'll tell you what I'm trying to say here. Here, but this two sides of a triangle are unequal. Take two sides. Let's say this and this are unequal. Okay. And this is the
Sir,
largest.
are you sharing the screen?
Oh, you 1 second. I'm not sharing. I'm sorry. Yeah. These are the two unequal sides. Okay. So this is the largest. AB is the largest side. What is the opposite to AB here? C. Angle C is the angle C is what? Angle C is the greater angle here. When it is whatever the largest side we have, opposite to that, whatever the angle you find, that would be the greatest angle. Okay? You understand my point? So two
Yes.
sides of a triangle are unequal. The larger side has the greater angle opposite to it. The converse of the above property is also true, which is nothing but what is the converse? Mean opposite, reverse. Getting my point? So when converse is nothing but the greatest side. The opposite to the greatest, the side which is opposite to the greater angle is the largest side of the triangle. That I can say, right? So if two sides of a triangle are unequal, when two sides are, let's say that AC and AB are unequal, okay, CB are unequal, then the
Sir,
largest
largest side means hypotenuse, right?
it is not a right angle triangle to say that.
Right angle triangle has hypotenuse. Yes.
Right angle triangle will be having. This is not a right angle triangle. Okay. So here largest side means look clearly it is visible, right? AB is the largest side here. This is the largest side, beta. Whatever the opposite to that. Here C is opposite, right? So that is the greatest angle. That is what he's trying to say. Okay. So very simple actually. And yeah.
Sir, so like if two sides of a triangle are equal also, it will be right.
No, not equal, unequal. Very strictly he's saying that when two sides of a triangle are unequal, then only it will follow. Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay, sir.
See, in any triangle, greater angle has the larger side opposite to it. In any triangle, largest side is opposite to the greatest angle. Yes. In any triangle, greater angle has the largest side opposite to it. That is what the meaning of this. Greater angle will be having what? Here,
So,
this
sir,
is
in isosceles triangle also,
isosceles, two sides will be equal, right? When two sides are unequal here, that is what I'm talking about. You understand, please? One
Yes,
second,
sir.
guys. Yeah. Yes. So largest side, I mean the largest, greatest angle has larger side opposite to it. And in any triangle, the largest side opposite is the greatest angle. That is what I told. Converse is nothing but beta, what he has given. For example, this is the largest side beta. What is the opposite to that? That is the greatest angle. And whatever the opposite to greatest angle, that is the largest side. Ulta, reverse is saying beta. You try to understand what I'm trying to say here. Here, this is largest side. Opposite to that is greatest angle. Okay? And whatever the side opposite to greatest angle we have, that is the largest side. Okay? Largest side, opposite to largest side is greatest angle. Opposite to greatest angle is largest side. Okay? Very simple. Okay. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal and vice versa. Look at this here. We know this, right? Lalit, you was asking something here. I'll tell you. Look at this here. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. We have learned this. Okay. So if A and B are equal, then BC and CA will be equal. If BC is equal to C, then A is equal to B. All right. Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Angle B and angle A,
Yeah.
like, they can be
If-
equal, but angle C can be bigger also. Right?
If the angles are increasing or decreasing order, opposite side to them also will be in the same order. Okay, what is that? If the angles are in increasing or decreasing order, sides opposite to them also in the same order. Look at this. If A is greater than B, B is greater than C, then look at this. Let me tell you beta here. Let me draw. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay? This A is greater than B and B is greater than C. This will be the same. Look at this. What is opposite to A here? BC. BC also greater
Sir,
than.
AC, BC is the biggest.
Let me tell you. Yes.
Then
And what?
AC.
AC next. Then AB. Okay? Opposite to B is AC.
yes, sir.
Opposite to C is AB. So this is the order of this thing. Is it clear? Understand my point? Are you guys able to understand? So
Sir,
angles are
can
increasing.
you explain again?
See what I'm trying to say. Listen to me carefully, everyone. Listen to me. Look at this. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. So what is opposite? Look at it. Let's say that this is A is greater than B beta. Let's say that A is greater than B. And B is greater than C. Let's say that A is the greatest one. After that, B is the highest one. Then least one is what? C. That is what order given to you. Then what happens? What is the opposite to A here? What is the opposite side to A? BC or not? Here BC. Then what is the
Yes,
opposite
sir.
side to B? AC. BC would be greater than AC. What is the opposite side to angle C here? AB. Okay.
AB.
Opposite side of A is BC. Opposite side B. Opposite side of angle B is AC. Opposite side of angle C is AB. So this is out. BC is greater than AC is greater than AB. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next. Next. All right, guys. Now look at it. For suppose, let me highlight this. Okay. Increasing, decreasing order, then the opposite them also will be in the same order. Okay. So this is what he has given. Now, in case A is less than B is less than C, then BC would be lesser than CA would be lesser than AB. That's it. You understand my point? Any doubts, children? Children, any doubts here? Hello? Guys, any doubts?
No, sir.
Very simple.
No, sir.
Next, see, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the larger side has the greater angle opposite to it. Then the larger side has the greater angle opposite to it. So the converse of the above property is true. Reverse. Okay,
Sir,
hope you
but
understand.
then it says in any triangle, right?
Yes, any triangle, two sides has to be unequal. That's it. That is the major point.
Oh, okay, sir.
The major point is what? Two sides has to be opposite. That's it. Next. Look at it here. Let us try to solve this question. So everyone solve this question. If ABC, if ABC in triangle ABC, AB is 10 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, find the range of values of CA can take. Find the range of values of CA can take. Very simple. Look at it here. So in a triangle, sum of two sides. Look at it, very simple. In a triangle, sum of two sides is greater than the third side, and the difference of two sides is lesser than the third side, isn't it?
Yes, sir, should be less than 18, more,
Yeah.
less than 18 and
So
more.
sum of two sides. Let me write here. What I'm trying to say, beta. Here, this is triangle ABC. Okay. Okay. Here, beta, sum of two sides. Sum of two sides is nothing. Let's say that AB plus BC. Okay. This AB plus BC. Sum of these two sides. AB plus BC.
Is equals to CA, sir.
Greater than
Greater than
the third side. What is third side? AC.
Sir,
Okay.
CA.
AC CA.
Yes, sir, AC, CA. Yes, sir.
Right? Now
Yes,
can I say now this plus this will be of course greater than this? Of course, common sense. Now similarly, can I say that difference? What is the difference here? Difference of two sides is lesser than. Difference is nothing but, let me say that AB minus BC is lesser than the third side. See here. All right. So similarly here, AB is given 10 and BC is given 8. Then what is the
18,
range
sir.
of range is nothing
Sir,
but what?
2 to 18.
2 to 18. Very simple. Look at it here. But
Yes.
AB given. Look, we know that. Everyone look at this here. We know that AB is what, beta? 10.
10,
BC is
sir,
what,
and
8.
BC is 8.
So CA.
So it can never be more than 18 and less than 2.
CA is greater than, 18 is greater than CA, beta. Okay. AB is what? 10 minus 8. CA. So 2 less than CA. So can I write now CA has to be greater than 2
More than 2 and
and
less than 18.
lesser than 80. This is the range. Can I say like this? Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
From these two beta, from this inequality, can I say from those
Yes,
two
sir.
green colored circles, this is the range I can say. Very simple.
Yes,
Hope
it can
you
be
guys
any
like-
value. Between.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right here. From this 18 is greater than CA. Ten plus 8. Okay. This is what? Here 2. Okay. So here, which means 18 is greater than CA. That is what he has given. The next question, hope you're understanding. Sum and difference of two sides of a triangle. Very, very important concept. Look at this.
So we just
Yeah.
discussed this.
Yeah,
Yes.
sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So if I say AB plus AC is always greater than BC, AC plus BC is always greater than AB, BC plus AB is always greater than AC. Okay?
Yes, so it's for any triangle.
AB, 1 second, guys, what's happening? Okay, so AB is always AB plus AC. Any triangle, beta. AC plus BC. Very simple.
It
Sum
will
of
be
two
third side will be
lesser
lesser.
than sum of two opposite sides.
Yes, sir.
Sum of two any side.
Yeah.
Yes, and should be more than the difference of the two sides.
Next. Look at this here. So guys, look at difference of any two sides is always lesser than the third side we just discussed. Same thing you can follow as like as this. Any doubts? All right, perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Next, very important. Okay, so look at this here. Of all line segments that can be drawn to a given line L from a point O outside the line L, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. That is, OP is lesser than OA, OB, OC, OD. What is the meaning of this? OP, जो
Sir,
भी है
but it's
OP,
greater than
this is
PC.
OP, right? This is OP, is always lesser than.
Sir, PC, it's less than PC also.
OP is lesser than OA, OB, OC, OD.
Okay, sir. So no, it's less than
Alright.
PC also.
So that is the, what is the of all the line segment that can be drawn to a given line L from
Sir,
a
can
point
you
O.
explain once again?
So it's between OC and OP, right? Not PC, right?
One second, who is joining again? Tell me, whatever, beta look at it, this is a point O, this is a point O, this is a point P. Okay, here OP is lesser than OA, OB, OC, OD. From point, this is a line given to you, L. This is O. Okay, this is P. This OP is always lesser than जो OP है ना, this is always lesser than OA. If I take A, B, C, D
Okay, sir. The
points of the
four
line,
line segments.
that is what I'm trying to say. Very simple diagram given to you.
So it's hypotenuse, right? So it'll be greater.
Yeah.
Sir, but it's like greater than PC and all, right?
Sorry?
Sir, but it's greater than PC, PD,
No, no, no.
CD.
OP. No, 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 no. OP, that is a rule actually. That is a rule. Here this OP is the right. This
Yes,
OP.
sir.
This OP is lesser than OA. Okay, whatever the point you have given, this is a line given to you. If I just make a point A, B, C, D on the line, okay, this OA, OB, OC, OD, okay, OA, OB, OC, OD, all these line segments, okay, are greater than OP actually. That is why OP is lesser than OA, OB, OC, OD. That is what I'm saying. Getting my point?
Okay,
That is
sir.
the theorem of perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Perpendicular line segment means what? From a point to a line segment. You know, this is a line, right? If I draw a line segment from point O to P, from point
So
O
we're
to
not
P,
talking about AP
that is a
and
perpendicular line
PD.
segment. Okay, that is the shortest. Then all the line segment we have drawn from the point O to the opposite line given to you. Next, everyone copied? Have you copied?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Guys, 1 second. I think why it is not working. Just be in line. Yes, guys. Sorry, actually, I think pen is not writing. I don't know why. What to do? Yes. So you understood this perpendicular line segment short?
Sir, but is OP greater than PC?
Sorry.
Sir, is OP greater than PC and PD?
OP greater than PC. How come it is OP greater than PC here?
Useless. OP
PC
is
is
less.
of course smaller side. We are not talking about OP. We are not talking about PC here. Okay.
Okay,
I'm talking
sir.
about OP.
Only about the
But
perpendicular.
only about the perpendicular. I'm comparing the perpendicular with this line segment.
Hypotenuse.
You can say hypotenuse if you consider it as a triangle. Yeah. If you consider this as a height.
Sir,
No?
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Sir, then how to find this question? Find the hypotenuse of this 90 degrees, right? How can you find out that OC, sir?
Sorry. Can you repeat again?
How can you find out OP is 90 degrees, sir? Then how can you find out that OC?
OC. How do you find out OC? Hypotenuse. If you know base, you can find out OC very easily by using right angle triangle. That's it.
Okay,
Same rule.
sir.
Same rule. You don't see the opposite. The side opposite to greater angle is larger. The side opposite to the greater angle is larger. That is what we learned. And why we are saying that OP is great, OP is lesser than OC here. OP is lesser than OC. Why is the reason? This is a greater angle here, opposite to this. And of course, OP is lesser than OC. Opposite to the greater angle is.
Yes, sir. We can't have 290 degrees.
Yeah, that is what we can't have. That is what I'm saying. We can't have 290 degrees. Okay. Yeah. This is what.
Okay, sir.
All right. Any doubts? Yeah. So this is a perpendicular line segment in short. Now, very simple here in the figure given below, AB is equal to AC beta. ठीक है, दोनों equal है. And here AB is greater than BC. I mean AB is greater than BC. AB is greater than BC. I mean is AB is greater than BC. That is what he's saying. Is AB is greater than BC.
But if the angle is greater, then it's greater.
Yeah.
So we can't surely say because it's two sides are equal.
Look at
right?
this. Angles. Let me tell you. See beta, we know the AB is equal to AC here. ठीक है. Angle B and angle C will be equal. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite sides to equal is this is the but this and this both are equal. Opposite side of this AB is C. This opposite side of AC is B. These two will be equal here. Angle B would be equal to angle C. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Of
So
course.
180
So now we
minus
know that
60.
angle A plus angle B plus angle C would be 180 degrees. So 180 minus 68, how much beta?
So 112.
112. So 112, right? So 112 by 2. Why?
By
Because
2.
these two are equal, right? So
61.
each would be what? Each would be what? 60? Not 61.
No, 60, sir.
5, 56. Right?
56, yes.
Each
Sir.
would be 56. That's it. So 50 each would be 56. Now angle A is 68. Angle B is 56. Angle C also 56.
So, sir,
Okay.
it's actually greater than.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question from my textbook. I'm not able to solve this, sir. As the congruent rules. Shall I take a pic and share you that? Sir,
Yes.
shall I keep that?
Or are you there? Sir?
Yes. Tell me what is the problem? So here,
Sir,
suppose
he
A
has a
would be greater
doubt.
than A would be greater than B. Ah.
Yes, sir. A
Ah.
would be.
Sir,
No,
I
sir,
have a,
BC would be greater than AB.
AB would be greater than BC or not? He's saying AB would be greater than BC or not? BC, guys, look
No,
at
sir,
this.
BC will be greater than.
BC will be greater. Why? Because greater angle has a larger
Sir, side opposite to it. Yes.
Ah. greater angle. Greater angle is nothing but 68 here. Greater angle has
Yes,
a
opposite
larger
to that is
Ah.
BC.
BC. Of course, BC would be what? Greater. Of course, BC
Yes.
would be greater than BC would be greater, beta. Why?
Then
Because
both of them.
Ah,
Then
look
both
at
of
it. Greater angle is 68 here. Opposite to that is BC. So BC would be, of course, greater than AB. That is the conclusion.
Sir, so like in isosceles triangle also this theorem will work, right?
Sorry?
Sir, in isosceles theorem also, like triangle also this theorem will work, right? Sir, here two sides are equal.
Yes,
Still-
yes, yes. But which with this isosceles triangle only, man.
Yes, sir, in the theorem it was like two sides should be unequal. Here two sides are equal. Still
That
no-
is different. This is different. This is a question. That is a different. The theorem was, I'll show it to you. Wait. Here, sum and difference of, where is that? Here. The sides and angles of a triangle. So when two sides are unequal, the largest side has the greater angle and opposite to it. That is one of the point I have used here to say that BC is greater than AB. That's it. But it is not like related to that. So yeah, when two sides are unequal, that is the case. Largest side opposite to that would be having a largest angle, and largest angle which has that opposite to that would be a greatest angle. Okay. So yeah. Next, concept of similarity. Concept of
Sir,
similarity.
once can you show that?
Sorry.
Sir, once can you scroll up?
Yeah. Concept of similarity. Make it fast. Make it fast.
Nehal, can you mute yourself?
yeah.
I didn't get you.
Done, sir.
Sir,
I took the screenshot.
sir, I have a doubt in my textbook.
You have a doubt in textbook, but a doubt session will be keeping separately.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Doubt session. See, you should have joined on Sunday, man. Those who are having doubt, like I'm keeping the classes on Sunday. That is for doubt session. Hope you understand. So if we discuss now, it will
Okay.
be interrupted with the class.
Okay.
When whoever is having doubt, please join on Sunday. So we are keeping the Sunday classes, right? You have to join on that. And those who have doubts in like orthocenter, circumcenter, and circumference of a circle. Sorry, not circumference of a circle. I mean circumcenter, orthocenter, and centroid. We have discussed very neatly, and we have discussed the beautiful questions on the related of the topic as well. Those who have doubt, please go through that and cross check it once.
Yeah, but the timings are different. So like for me it's
Please,
morning.
I mean recording is there. Recording is there.
No, sir, like I can't tell my doubt because if
can
it's
post-
8:30.
You can
If
post
it's
your doubt,
eight-
please. You can post your doubt. You can join on the time. Okay.
No,
we'll-
no, sir, like the timings are different.
No,
wherever.
I'm saying that beta, this time only I'll be keeping the class actually. Probably somewhere like 5 to 6 or something like that.
Oh, okay, sir.
Evening, Sunday, whenever, not every Sunday. I don't say every Sunday, but we'll be keeping the doubt session. That day you have to join. Whoever is having doubt. Okay, concept of similarity. Geometric figures having
Okay,
the
sir.
same shape but different sizes are known as similar figures. So two congruent figures are always similar, but similar figures need not to be congruent. Very good point actually.
Yes, sir. Then
Concept of similarity, what it says, geometric figures having the same shape, geometric figures having the same shape but different sizes are known
Yes,
as
sir. Like they can be two squares, but
Sir,
doesn't.
like it is like the angle is same, but this length is small. We can take
Like
angle is
two
different.
square. It can be the size shape can be same like two squares, but size can be different. So it's they need not to be congruent.
Yeah, yeah.
yes, geometric figures having same shape but different sizes. Same shape, look at it here. Two squares are similar, but they are different sizes, are known as similar figures. Two congruent figures are always similar. But similar figures need not to be congruent. You understand my point? Similar figures,
Yeah, yes. Sir.
similar,
Understood.
congruent figures are always similar. But similar figures need not to be congruent. They can be, maybe, may not be.
So like both can be angles, but the measure can be different.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. I
Any
was
two line-
told.
Any two line segment are similar.
Yes,
AB.
sir, but the length can be different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at it. Any two line segment are similar, but length are, line segment are similar, but length are different. Yes. Any two squares are similar, but the shape, the size would be different. That's it.
The
So any, two
centimeters
equilateral
will
triangles
be.
are similar. Equilateral triangles are similar. Look at it. Size is
Yes,
different or not?
sir.
Similar, but different. Two circles are
Yes, sir.
similar, but
That's
radius
Yeah,
why
is
sir.
there is
different.
Length will be small, sir.
Yes, sir. That is why there is no AAA that thing.
Yeah, sir.
That
I
is why
was
it is not
telling
there.
that.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
why the AAA is not there.
Triple S is there. Yes, sir.
Sorry. Triple S. Three sides. Why? Because three sides would mean both are similar, beta. Both are similar. You can say congruent, but you can say similar, but you cannot say what?
We have similar angles,
Yes.
but we can't have
Two congruent
measurement,
always
right?
similar. As we know that two congruent always similar, but similar cannot be always congruent. Why? Because they are similar, it does not mean that they are congruent. It may be, may not
So,
be.
sir, like if the size is same, then it should be congruent.
Yes,
Yeah.
side angle.
It will be.
We have certain factors for that to say that they are congruent. But in fact, see here, they are similar actually. They are similar.
No, sir, I'm saying that if two figures have similar size, like and so that they should be congruent, right? Like
So if any
Sir, if it will be same length, but the same length,
Any
but
two
it will
circles are
direction will
similar.
be not
Any
like
two
that.
I
circles
think
are
both
similar.
shape and size should be same.
Yes,
Then
yes.
only we can.
Look at shape, size should be same here. Size are different, beta. That is why triple S is not there. That is why. Here, look at it. Both circles are similar, but the radius is different, size is different. Okay. So now, two polygons are said to be similar. Two polygons. What do you mean by polygon? Two polygons said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal. Polygons is nothing but what, beta? A figure, a geometrical figure which is made up of line segments like this. This is a polygon. This is a polygon.
Sir, I have a doubt.
1 second. This is a polygon. You can't say this is a polygon. This is amoeba. So understand my point. This is a polygon. So the lines, the figure which is getting framed with a polygon, with a line segment, it is a polygon. You can't say, look at this, this is not a polygon. Then this is a
So it
polygon.
doesn't have any sides fixed.
That does not have any fixed side. You haven't used any line
It's
segments.
basically like a circle.
Exactly. Right. So two polygons are said to be similar if, similar to each other if their corresponding sides are equal. Okay? Corresponding sides are equal. The length of
Sir,
the corresponding
okay.
sides are proportional.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Who is this?
Sir, Nehal.
Tell me, Nihal.
Sir, The measurements are same, but one is right angle triangle and the another one is isosceles. It can be congruent, sir.
How can it be? Their side
Uh,
should be same. Corresponding side should be same. See, man, look at it. You can. I'm telling you this and this side of this triangle and this side of this triangle should be same. Okay, and this side of this triangle, this side of this triangle should be same. Okay, and this side of this triangle and this side of this triangle should be same. If this is the case, I can say both are congruent to each other. If that
Yes,
is
sir,
not
like
the case,
if
I
the
cannot.
sides of the right angle and the isosceles are equal, then we can say it's congruent.
Yes,
Triple S.
look at it. Let me tell you. It's a right angle triangle. Okay. All right. Now, let's say that it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So this side and this side both are equal here, right? In isosceles triangle, this side and this side both will be equal. In right angle triangle, this is the highest one. I cannot say these two are equal. Is there any guarantee that you have this side and this side both are equal? No, right?
no,
Isn't it?
no, sir.
So,
No, sir.
actually, simple case. Don't make it complicated. Very simple thing is, what is the simple thing here? Two sides are equal. That is isosceles. And if corresponding sides and angles are equal to each other of the both triangles, I could say that both are congruent to each other. Until and unless you
So,
cannot
sir,
say
like
they are
there are
congruent to each other.
chances of the so
It
sir,
will be
there's the
equal.
chances
Yes,
of the
I'm not saying that it won't happen. It might happen if they are equal chances. Okay.
yes, it's
So
called isosceles right angle triangle.
exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I was that.
Yeah. So here, if you observe this, if two polygons A, B, C, D, E and P, Q, R, S, T are similar, then can I say, beta, look at this, this angle A, angle P, angle A and angle P are equal. B and Q equal. C and R are equal. This D and S is equal. E and T are equal. They are corresponding angles of both the polygons given to you, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, at the same time, look at this. Corresponding angles are equal. That is the first point. So these two polygons similar or not? These two polygons are similar here, and their corresponding angles are equal. At the same time, the length of their corresponding sides, corresponding side का मतलब क्या होता है? समझो यहाँ पे. Look at this. Everyone try to understand. Corresponding sides is nothing but, and the corresponding sides are proportional is nothing but AB must be proportional to PQ. ठीक है? AB is proportional to Q. I mean,
Yes, sir. So like 4 is to
Sir.
this is 2 is to
Exactly.
3. Yes, sir.
Here
2 is to 3 there
BC
also.
exactly. So BC and QR, these two are proportional. Okay? CD and SR, these two are proportional. समझ रहे हो आप? DE
Sir,
and
but
ST.
these polygons they need not to be congruent, right?
That is what I'm telling you. That is what I'm telling you. Maybe, may not be. I'm saying this is also a no. This is. Can you say this is a polygon now? Yes. If their corresponding sides and angles are equal, then they can say we can say that. Ah, yeah. As you said that that is correct. As you said that is correct, Lalit. But here, check. 1 second. What's happening? Ayo. Yes, a minute. Yeah. Here AE and PT. These two are corresponding sides, and these are proportional to each other. Check. Look at this. Can you see this?
Sir, AB is to
Then,
PQ.
yeah, if that is the case, I could say that ABCDE polygon and PQRST are similar. Okay, when can you say similar? If their corresponding angles at the same time corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Corresponding angles is equal and corresponding sides are proportional to each other. If these are the two cases of following, then I could say that this polygon is similar to this polygon. Okay?
Yes, sir, but not
Very
congruent.
simple, but not congruent. That is what that is what the point we were discussing, right? If two
Yes,
figures are congruent, listen to me. If two figures are congruent, okay, two congruent figures are always similar, but similar figures need not to be congruent. Maybe, may not
Yes,
be. Okay, समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Two congruent figures are always similar, but similar figures need not to be congruent. ठीक है? Need not to be congruent मतलब समझो यहाँ पे. See, we have seen lots of examples here. You can see similar figures, but not sides are not same. Two same circles. I mean, the shape wise, the figure wise looking same, but the radius is different. So yeah. So this is what the basically look at this, guys. Everyone, please go through this note. I'll share this note actually. So please, everyone, have a look at this and upload the. I'll upload the and everything I'll upload. Just please have a attempt on the test. Okay, no cheating, no cheating. Please have a look at the question paper
Yes, sir.
properly. Please be genuine. Anyhow, the first question we have discussed. Anyway, so I'll be looking at that. So please have a look at that. I'll re-upload the paper again. I'll re-upload the paper again. So
So
within
like
2
we'll
minutes, I'm
discuss
uploading it.
tomorrow, right?
Yes, definitely. Why not? We'll discuss it tomorrow. Please.
Tomorrow you will upload the result.
Not tomorrow, next class probably. Day after tomorrow, if I'm not wrong, your classes. Yeah. No.
Yes.
Tomorrow, if you attempt today itself, see, now the time is 8. So it takes hardly like 15 to 20 minutes, man. Okay. So 15 questions. I'm sure it takes one question like 1 minute, not more than 1 minute actually. Yeah. There are questions where you can finish within like 10 seconds as well. Okay.
So same questions or you will change?
So same questions would be there. I don't think so. You guys like whatever the answers you got, you have to attempt it immediately. So I'll
Yeah,
be
so
announcing.
just copy the answers.
One
Same.
second. I'll be announcing the results within 1 hour. Before by 8:50, I'll be announcing the result, which means you have to make sure that you are attempting the test immediately now. After the class, as soon as you leave the class, you have to attempt
Yes,
the test.
sir, immediately. Yes.
8:50, I'm
Sir,
going to
is 9 o'clock okay, sir?
fine. But anyway, but before 9 o'clock, you try to finish. Sharp 9 o'clock, I'm going to release the results. So if you're not going to attempt, then you'll be losing your marks. As simple as that. All right. So thank you, children. So
Okay,
we'll
sir.
make a move now. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, sir. Have a great day.
And revise the
Thanks,
notes
sir.
and come to the class. Revise the notes and come to the
Okay.
class. Those who
So
haven't,
you'll start the exam
Yeah.
now?
I'll attempt. Yeah, I'll start it. Those who have, those who have not attended Sunday's extra class, please go through the recording. I have uploaded it. So those who are having a doubt in Ortho Center, Circum Center, and Centrite, please make sure that you are attending that video. Okay. Thank you.
In recordings you doesn't explain, so that's why I
I
have
have
to
attempted it, man. I mean, I have uploaded it. Check it out once.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.